We filled a room with 2 pounds of sand, pet hair, and crushed cereal, the ultimate home disaster. Then, we unleashed the top 10 vacuums of 2026. What happened next was a massacre. Motors screamed, batteries died, and one premium model gave up completely. But from that chaos, 5 champions emerged. One robot vacuum mapped our test zone with military precision. One cordless model had power that defied physics. If you hate wasting money on cleaning tech that quits, what we found for pet owners at spot number 2 will change everything. The test results are in. Starting at number 1. Shark PowerDetect Cordless. Best vacuum for most people. The Shark PowerDetect Cordless is one of the easiest and most effective vacuums, which is why we think it is a great choice for most people. It ditches the core and bulk of an upright, so you can get moving with little to no prep. For the day-to-day messes of busy households, you can't go wrong, just remember it needs to charge. This model stood out because it cleans well on all kinds of floors, and its useful features made it easier for us to use. We particularly like the hinged wand, which helps you reach under furniture without bending. It honestly saved my back, said our lead tester, Rachel. It still has a small dustbin, but it empties into a larger base station, which keeps everything contained and cuts down on how often you have to deal with a cloud of dust when dumping out. This vacuum is perfect for the day-to-day messes and quick spot cleans, but fine dirt that has settled into thicker carpets will need the power of an upright or canister. Still, it is more than capable of most cleaning jobs, and the added convenience is something we can't stop raving about. There's also the inevitable limitation of battery life. It runs short, which means you may need to clean in segments if you have a larger home, something that could be frustrating for some. All in all, we think this vacuum deserves a spot in most homes due to its exceptional cleaning performance and ready-to-go convenience. Number 2. Shark Stratos. Best upright vacuum. The Shark Stratos is built for households that need serious cleaning power without compromise. It's perfect for busy homes with pets, high-traffic areas, or anyone who wants a vacuum that can handle deep cleans on multiple floor types while keeping allergens sealed in. If you don't mind carrying it up the stairs, it's a reliable partner for those who want a thorough clean without cutting corners. During testing, this vacuum impressed us with its strong cleaning across all surfaces, especially hardwood, where it often cleared debris in just a single pass. The HEPA filter works wonders, reducing more harmful particles in the air than any other vacuum we tested. While I know it can't match the agility of a stick vacuum, noted one of our testers, it stands out among other uprights thanks to its smooth glide, tight swivel steering, and rollers that I felt nearly propel it forward. The detachable canister added welcome versatility for us as we were actually able to clean under furniture, as many uprights simply cannot. For those who need serious cleaning power, you can't go wrong with the Stratos. Number 3. Miele Classic C1 Pure Suction Powerline. Best canister vacuum. For homes with a considerable amount of hardwood, the Miele Classic C1 Pure Suction Powerline is a solid canister vacuum. The lightweight one makes high reaches easy, so no need to stand on a stool to get those pesky cobwebs. Plus, it has an oversized bag that can handle multiple vacuum sessions, meaning less maintenance for you. This vacuum has the strongest suction we've ever measured in our lab, making it a standout among all vacuum types. That power translated to excellent hard floor performance, with visible results after just one pass. Its oversized 4.5-liter bag held far more than most, meaning I needed fewer emptying trips, and because it's a bagged model, there were no clouds of dust to deal with, exclaimed one of our testers who is sensitive to dust. While pulling the canister took us a while to get used to, the lightweight one was a perk compared to an upright, giving us the ability to clean under and on top of furniture easily. Number 4. Eufy 11's Max. Best robot vacuum on a budget. If you're just starting to dip your toes into the world of robot vacuums and don't want to mess with apps, learning curves, or simply can't afford the staggering price tags, the Eufy 11's Max is a great way in. It's especially helpful for smaller homes or apartments that get dusty quickly, or for people who just want to space out deep cleans with a helper. It does the basics, scoops up daily crumbs, pet fur, and dirt, and does them better than most vacuums in its price range. Just be prepared to tidy up a bit beforehand, it needs a relatively clear path to do its thing. This little robot impressed us with how much it could clean, especially considering its simple design. On hard floors, it handled everything from fine dust to larger bits like rice and cereal without issue. Carpet performance was better than expected too, especially given the lack of smart mapping. It doesn't follow a perfect path, but with enough time, it covers the space well and leaves floors looking noticeably cleaner. It even hugged walls and edges better than some pricier models, thanks to a hard-working edge brush. For daily upkeep between deeper cleans, it's a solid and dependable performer. If you're okay with keeping things simple and doing a little extra prep, the Eufy 11S Max can be a great cleaning sidekick. Just know it comes with some trade-offs. Without a self-emptying dock, you'll need to empty the dustbin yourself after every few runs. Number 5. Shark Rotator LA502. Best vacuum for pet hair. If you're dealing with pet hair across floors, furniture, and stairs, the Shark Rotator LA502 is a versatile upright vacuum that is designed for pet owners. It stood out not just for its excellent carpet cleaning, but for its ability to handle fur throughout the home, like on couches and pet beds. It's ideal for users who want strong, consistent performance, with uninterrupted power and a large dustbin built to work through every room and capture every last strand of pet hair. This model includes a motorized brush attachment and a detachable base, making it easier to clean pet beds, stairs, and upholstery, areas where fur tends to collect. While I like cordless stick or handheld vacuums for these tight spaces, they come with limitations in battery life and dustbin size. The Rotator offers a more robust alternative, delivering powerful suction, larger capacity, and better runtime for deeper cleaning sessions, the kind most of us rely on when tackling the messes our furry friends leave behind. Clean home, done. All the links to get your hands on these 5 champion cleaners, from the robot that remembers your floor plan to the upright that eats pet hair for breakfast, are organized and waiting in the description below. Go find your perfect match. If this brutal real-world testing saved you from a $1,000 mistake or finally solved your pet hair nightmare, please do us a huge favor, hit that like button. It helps more people see honest reviews. Share this with someone who's tired of a dirty floor. And subscribe, because next week, we're taking the winner and feeding it something no vacuum should ever face. You won't believe what happens. See you then.